Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Arjoy Encarnacion, 33 years old, married with 4 children. I am the fourth child. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am a college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Home Technology.
Do you have experience abroad?
None, sir, but I have experience here in Philippines as housemaid. My main duties is to take care of their children and cleaning the house, do the laundry and the car washing.
In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I took care of their children when they're sick. I took their body temperature. At the same time, I will call my employer, sir.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, responsible, and patient person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
None, sir.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to build a better future for my children, especially for their education, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I'll focus on my work, sir. I will call them during my rest days.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 9:30 p.m., sir, and I wake up at 5 a.m.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active when they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll just stay calm and I extend my patience, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for my master and 1 for my dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am and sir. I hope you will select me as your housemaid. I am a hardworking, responsible, and patient person. I promise to do all my best to serve your family. Thank you, sir and ma'am.